We're going to start that again. Welcome back. We're going to be talking about environmental activism this summer. That's with the beauty of summer that comes many opportunities to give back to the land in stewardship. The gang at All Aboard Earth, they are sharing about the opportunities to volunteer locally in environmental activism, supporting community agriculture initiatives, and pollinator habitat restoration, something very important there. We're joined this morning by the Creative Director, Jonathan Mead, and Education Director, Michael Mead. There you go. Removing the helmets and getting ready to talk to us all about All Aboard Earth. Gentlemen, it's great to have you with us.
Thank you.
Good to be with you.
Yeah, it's hot in these. You know, as crew of the spaceship Earth, which we're here on riding through space, we have a big responsibility to sustain the life support systems of this planet.
Yeah.
And we're excited here to talk today and share with our community, fellow crew on this spaceship, how we can steward.
I was going to say, the suits come in handy for working with the bees, right?
Definitely.
Exactly.
Yeah, and speaking to that, one of the fundamental life support systems that we have is that of the pollinators who provide the fruits and veggies that we eat in our diet. So,
yeah. How'd you guys come up with All Aboard Earth?
Well, we're artists and educators, and we thought, why not find a way that we could combine these ways of connecting with the human spirit and the mind of humanity to heal the planet and create an environmental education arts collective.
Yeah. And with that, I mean, you're giving some education out there for folks to say, hey, we need to preserve and help our bee population continue to thrive.
Exactly.
Right?
Yeah, you know, there's so many ways that we can support our local pollinators. We can plant wildflowers, you know, native plants. We can plant flowers that bloom throughout different times of the year so the pollinators always have consistent food. We can make windbreaks, you know, so that it blocks out the wind to push the pollinators away. And we can also build bee hotels, which is like wood trunks that have little holes in them so the bees and the wild pollinators have places to make homes.
How important is it that the community get involved?
it's fundamental. I mean, we're dealing with lots of colony collapse and other issues that are affecting pollinator species in particular. And right now, creating gardens, habitat for pollinator species is really beneficial and supportive to keep them alive and keep them here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So when folks work, say, with All Aboard Earth, I mean, how do they get involved?
Well, so we have a few ways that we're engaging with the community. You know, one, we talk about connecting with different organizations. We would love to share about opportunities to volunteer at local community farms. The Rio Grande Community Farm here in Albuquerque. You know, down in Santa Fe we have Reunity Resources. Also to support people in building their own gardens. And also we have an adult night performance at Explora Science Museum coming up next week.
Yeah.
Which we're really excited about. And we'll be handing out some seeds there. Jonathan has our little pollinator box.
Yeah, we have a pollinator box that's being distributed by the Mother Nature Center in Santa Fe. And in this box, it comes with many local varieties of seeds. It's important to plant native species, so they're adapted to this climate. We have stickers here for the Haudenosaunee and the Three Sisters Collective, and then all of the information of the food that you can grow with this box and how long it takes to get the food.
And folks coming out to take part can get one of those, right?
Well, yeah, you can buy these online, or you can reach out to us, and we have them available.
Even better.
Yeah.
All right, gentlemen, thank you so much for joining us. We're running a little short on time, but again, a very important message about preserving what we have here on Earth in terms of, you know, keeping the bees pollinating and the food growing. So,
Yeah.
gentlemen, thank you.
Thank you.
Now, for a full recap of the entire interview, we will have it later on this morning, always on KRQE.com. Stay with us.